Henrico County, west central Hanover County, eastern Powhatan County, until 5:30 p.m.
Well, that was unexpected.
2:23 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ashland, Randolph-Macon College, Tuckahoe, Laurel, Mannequin, Wyndham, Lakeside, Glen Ellen, Elmont, Short Pump, Longdale, Rockville, Solomon Store, Greendale, Roslyn Hills, Dumbarton, and Chamberlain. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Goochland, Hanover, Henrico, and Powhatan.
First ever caught flash flood warning.
For southeastern Goochland County, northwestern Henrico County, west central Hanover County.
That was awesome.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gloucester County and southeastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County, western Middlesex County, central Northumberland County, southeastern Richmond County, Lancaster County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Glens or near Urbana, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Saluda around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Urbana around 4:30 p.m. Lancaster and Marico around 4:50 p.m. Broadway around 4:55 p.m. Farnham around 5 p.m. Heathsville around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Regina, Mollusk, Senora, Avalon, Metzdale, Bertrand, Belle Isle State Park, Edwardsville, Warner, and Nodlet. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
It's another one for you.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Virginia, including the Richmond and Tri-Cities area tonight. Mostly cloudy.
No, they actually toned it that time.
Now.
Yep.
The thunderstorm was located near West Point, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail source. Radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near King and Queen Courthouse and Little Plymouth around Fort Fort
No.
from Jamaica around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lakeview, Nesting, Eltham, Crouch, Vilma, Pinell, Roanoke, Dragonville, Plum Point, and Montague. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. 6:42 p.m. Fallen in the past hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chester, Bentley, Bellwood, Chesterfield Courthouse, Madoville, Richmond Heights, Virginia Rhine, Drury's Bluff, and Centralia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Chesterfield, and Henrico. Issued at 4:45 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Louisa County, southeastern Gooch Lund County, northwestern Henrico County, west central Hanover County, east central Powhatan County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Mannequin or near Tuckahoe, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Windham around 6:25 p.m. Louisville around 6:35 p.m. Montpelier around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rockville, Dabney's, Gilman, Crozier, Vontae, Johnson Springs, Goodall, Shore Pump, and Scubas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or